Hello everybody. In part 1 of this series, I taught you how to make a milk jug skull. In part 2, I taught you how to put a skin and build up that skull to make it more of a head. Now in part 3, I'm going to be showing you how to put hair on it and make it look more horrifying. And have this fake hair extension that we bought from the dollar store a long time ago. I cut strands away from it, and using a mixture of Gorilla Glue gel and Gorilla Glue spray, I attached the hair to the head. Since hair grows on top of itself, I started at the base of the neck, working from right to left, and then worked upwards, making sure each row of hair overlapped the one beneath it. Also make sure you are wearing a mask and have good airflow, like a fan blowing in an open window due to the spray glue. You can then add a hair hold by tying and gluing the hair together. spray glue over top of the whole head as a final seal. This made it sturdy and firm. Here is the final product in a micro short film I made titled Turn Back Now. Thank you all for watching. We really hope you enjoyed. If you make a milk jug skull or a severed head prop, please tag us on social media. Excelsior!